Hello and welcome to this video about importing data into your Notion database, and you can actually use this to import CSV files and then map them with your Notion fields to make sure everything gets imported in the right location and column of your Notion database. And this is really great because a lot of systems allow you to export their data to CSV file, but then you still have to find a way to import it in Notion as well. And Space Loader helps you with that. You simply connect your Notion account, and from there you can map the data to the right columns and get started. So you can also see the files you have uploaded in the past, and also it helps to data clean your files so you don't import wrong formats or data that is not useful. And from there you can really just keep track of everything you have imported. The great thing is it's a free starter plan, and if you import more than 50 records per month, you only pay $15. So it's very affordable and even supports multiple Notion workspaces. So that was a quick look at Space Loader. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and have a great day ahead. Thank you.